Back at the Kia Optima 2003 2.4 liter. Here's a reminder of what we're dealing with. Pardon the dog. For some reason, the part got held up and didn't get to me till just now. So that's why I'm late getting back. Supposed to have been right back, but hey, I could have went down there and picked it up myself. But nevertheless, we're going to get this line out the way right here with 10mm bolt, taken out right there. Then we're going to loosen your alternator back here with a 12mm. And I believe the one on the bottom is 14. Not sure, but I'll let you know as soon as I take that thing up out of there. It's a clip on the back and a bolt on the back, which is about 12mm too. Oh, and when they shipped it with dirt on it. Like somebody dropped it in the sand. Great AutoZone. And that's what I mean when I say take that 10mm bolt out, stick your line over here, out your way. Gives you enough room to get your hand down in here and do what you gotta do. Gives you room to get back in here. Nice room to play. Make it easy on yourself. Now, we've got all the hardware loose on the top. Got your alternator able to be moved. Two 12mm. Got your belt off. Bottom one is a 14mm. Now, it's kind of tight to get down there through here right here. And we still have to get the back side undone, which I'm going to show you in a second. But to get this bottom bolt, it's a whole lot easier. Remove your front passenger side tire. Peel back that panel. And your bolt is sitting right there. Simple and easy. Told you, don't make things hard on yourself. Make them easy. That's the hard way. Now, after getting that bolt out down here, and your alternator's sitting free, you come back up to the top, and you're getting ready to take this bolt right here loose. It's loose already, you're gonna take it on out. And that's gonna release the alternator for you to be able to turn it upside down and get to the bottom. Now that you're taking that bolt out, the whole piece may even come out. But first timers, don't be shook, it's okay. It goes right back in. You don't have any washers on it or anything. Now your alternator's sitting free. Now you have to be careful when you take that bolt out because it's gonna drop. So you're gonna have to use something where you can hold the alternator and undo the screw. And this is what I use, a little old cheap bent ratchet and wrench. Now, there you have a 12mm bolt on the back and a clip on the back side. Push the little ends in on the clip and pull it straight out. And, tip when going back in with the new, this little flip-flop dumb cap gonna get in your way. You push it and turn it inside out, and it'll stay out your way while you're doing your screws, whether taking them out or taking them in. Just pop it inside out, and you'll have an easier way. Make it easy on yourself. And now I'm going back in with mine. This is the old alternator here. It looks like it was burning pretty bad. This was the problem, the tickety tick, 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 tick. Burn it out. And now that we got our all button back on up, we're gonna fire up and see what you sound like. Hopefully y'all don't go flying. That's after you take care of your safety measure and reconnect your battery. Always unconnect your battery before you do any work with the electricals. You might want to think about that for sure. And the awful tick is gone. So that's that. On to the next one. We'll catch you on another side. That's the flip side, as usual. More to come. Like, share, subscribe. We're just going to have a good time. Show you the easy way. Less costly way. And we're going to get it done. Keep them old things on the road. Keep them running.